Hey, we should try to draw a slipper.
Hey, let's do that real quick.
Whoa, that's fun.
That's a great idea, Banjo.
I never tried to draw one of them.
I'm gonna use glue.
I'm probably not gonna do this one very good, but I'll try.
You got a marker? Oh, good. Oh yeah, blue
Oh, I
too.
got
We'll
blue.
both do blue.
Do blue.
Oh wait, this one's purple.
Oh.
Purple
How
is a
about that?
blue with a little bit of red inside of it. That makes it purple. Okay, so slipper's kind of tricky.
Slipper.
I'm gonna do the or sandal flip flop. I'm gonna do the little thing that you put your toes in, the grip first. You make a little line, and then you make another line that goes down, and you squiggle it around, and you go around, and then you go back down. I'm kind of doing the slipper on like an angle view, and then you come back around, and there's your top of your slipper, and then for the bottom of your slipper slash flip flop, you do the bottom like that. There we go. And then you go down and do the sole of the slipper. They call the bottom of your shoe or your slipper the sole.
The sole.
Yeah, the sole of the slipper. That's kind of a slipper. What do you think?
Wow, that's really good.
And in Hawaii, and what we wear here a lot too, they brought them over to Banjo Island. They were locals, they call them. Locals. That's a really popular slipper there.
Wow,
And
local slipper.
we love the locals. They're cool there.
Man, you draw really good.
Hey, thanks. Let's see yours.
Yeah, okay. All right, don't laugh at everybody.
No. Hey, that looks good.
Can you see it?
It looks good. That looks really cool. That looks like it could be a tambourine too.
Maybe that's what was on my mind when I was drawing it.
Yeah, but it looks great. I like it. Okay, so you guys want to learn how to spell slipper?
Yeah, I do. I don't even know how to spell that.
Slipper is the shoe, but it's also when you slip. Slipper.
Slipper.
If a guy's slipping a lot, he's a slipper.
He's a slipper.
Yeah, okay, S is a that's an S there. And then what's the next one? Ow! And then the next one is a slip. Slip. And what's the next one? You spell the next one out, Banjo Benny. Slip. Yep. P, yeah. And there's a big slip. There's a big P sound. P. So you do two P's. Slip. And then the next one is a slip. E. Slip. E. And with the E, what's the last letter? Slip R, matey. Like the pirate. Slipper.
How about that?
That's it. Slipper. And if the locals in Hawaii say, they do slipa, which is pidgin English. It's actually a language now.
No way.
And you add an A and an H when you're in Hawaii and you want to talk pidgin, and then they say slipper.
Slipper.
It sounds like slipper with a little pizzazz. Slipper.
Slipper.
And they say, oh brother, where my slippers at?